the top that I'll be working with today. My cousin gave this top to me and said, "Here, maybe you can create something out of it." And I love the floral prints on it. It's so pretty. First, I started by removing the sleeves. Since I had very limited fabric to work with, I marked a straight line from where the sleeves curve begins to square off the edges, mirrored it on the other side, and cut it off.
Poster child for an American man. They turn around and they say,
Next, I took the fabric I had just cut off, divided it into two equal pieces, and stitched them onto the main fabric to turn it into one large rectangle.
nothing would have changed if it doesn't seem like he was that good at hiding himself.
I wanted the top to be a little longer, so I added this off-white fabric. I marked my measurements, cut it accordingly, then double fold and hem the top edge. Next is the sleeves. I marked the measurements for the stripes, double fold and hem the long edges. Then I attached the lace trim to both the sides of each stripe using a simple stretch stitch. After that, I attached the stripes to the top piece. Then I joined the top and the bottom sections together with a straight stitch and finished the seam with a zigzag stitch for a cleaner, stronger finish. To finish it off, I added a little more of lace trims. And ta-da! Here's the finished top.